1, 2, 3. Call me when you get to the bridge.
Hello friends. We're back at Cape Cod again, this time with Cannoli. To explore the incredible sand dunes at Sandy Neck Beach. Look at this magnificent pitch pine dune forest that stretches into the distance as far as the eye can see. Shout out to Ryan for taking this drone footage and allowing me to use it. What's unique about the Sandy Neck Beach is that you have dunes on the left side and salt marshes on the right side. You can see both the parabolic dunes and conventional dunes, and hardy plants that can survive the heat, dryness, and constant sand blasting. Please identify this mushroom. And of course, we enjoyed many golden hour sunsets.